Introduction of slime. Slime is a fun material that you can make yourself using common household ingredients. It is one of the most popular toys amongst children. Use of slime. It is a young science kit to encourage early STEM learning and scientific thinking while having fun. Contents in the slime lab: 1 slime glue, 1 slime activator, measuring beaker, 2 cups with lid, 2 mixing bowls, pipette, 2 wooden spoons, 3 pots of ready to use colors. How to make slime. Pour 100 ml warm water in mixing bowl. Add 2 grams of slime activator to water using spoon. Stir the mixture. Now pour 10 ml glue in measuring beaker and add 20 ml water in it. Mix it well. Now mix your slime activator solution and glue solution. Add color to it and keep stirring the mix with wooden spoon. Slime will start forming. Separate liquid from bowl if any left. Warning: children under 3 years old should be supervised by adult. This product is prohibited to eat.